In this video, I'm going to show you how to update a manual balance in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Go to Settings, then open Linked Accounts to view all the financial accounts connected to your Origin profile. This page includes synced bank accounts, credit cards, loans, investments, and any manual accounts that you previously added yourself. Find the manual account balance you want to update, then hover your mouse over that account row. You will see a three-dot menu appear next to it. Click on those three dots, then select Manage Account from the drop-down options. This will open the account management settings where you can edit the account details manually. Look for the current balance field, delete the old amount, and type in the new updated balance that you want Origin to reflect. After entering the correct number, click Save to confirm the change. Origin will immediately update that account balance across your dashboard, including your net worth calculations, liability totals, asset tracking, and any reports connected to that manual account. This is useful anytime you want to refresh balances for offline assets, personal loans, cash accounts, or any financial account that does not sync automatically with Origin. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.